Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on POCO Pad M1. Okay, to create a backup we need to open up the settings. Now in here, click on About tab, scroll down a little bit until you find backup and restore. As you take a look, we have a lot of options available. For example, we have mobile device, computer, Xiaomi Cloud and the Google backup. When it comes to me, I highly recommend using the Google backup because it always works. In my case, I never had a situation when it didn't work, so it's definitely one of my favorite options. And also Xiaomi Cloud is really okay, but if you want to use it, you need to be signed in into your Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, you will have to create it, but don't worry, it is really easy process. When it comes to the mobile device backup, you need to be aware that if you create it, it will be stored in the internal storage of your pad. So even after the reset, the backup will be also deleted, and restoring it will be impossible after the reset. So remember about it. And when it comes to me, I will use the Google backup for it. Just like I'm saying, it's my favorite option. To use this backup, down below we have backup details. We need to click on photos and videos, make sure that they are enabled. Same thing with other device data. Make sure that it's turned on. Down below we can see our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored in the cloud. So for example, if you want to restart a backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the same Google account that you can see on the screen on your device. Okay, now to create a backup, simply hit this green button. The process will now begin. It's going to take a little bit, so we just need to be patient. In here, as you take a look, a small circle appeared, and it's going slowly. It will slowly fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. If everything goes fine, we will also see a notification on the bottom that everything has been successfully backed. So, I'll see you in a second. Okay, my backup has been successfully created. Also, under other device data, you can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago, so that's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.